I am Raza, a student of Faculty of Education, University of Sindh. Subject Educational Assessment and Evaluation. Topic Validity and its types, which is assigned by Sir Dr. Amjad Ali Khan. By the end of slide, here you will be able to describe the meaning of validity, define the term validity, and explain the different types of validity. Now let us about validity. Validity and its type. A good test must be first of all be valid. Validity definition: validity is the extent to which a test measures what it claims to measure. It is vital for a test to be valid in order for the result to be accurately applied and interpreted. Validity उहा आहे जेका असांखे एक्यूरेट शइ मेयर करिजे, जेका टेक्स फिगर्स से हुजे असांखे उहा मेयर करे ॾेई वञे त उहा वैलिडिटी आहे. वैलिडिटी में शो हुजे त what is claimed to measure, that is called validity. Validity refers to the degree which the tool measures what is intended to measure. It refers to whether the instrument or scale is quantifying what it claims to, as it measures what it thinks it measures. Validity, it refers to the degree of relationship between what the test measures and what is supposed to measure. That is called validity. Example of validity, let us see. If you are going to measure weight on weight machine, it shows your weight about 80 kg, but you know your weight is about 60 kg, then that is not valid in the machine. Concept of validity, rather basic definition of validity is the degree to which a test measures. Although this definition is relatively common and straightforward, it simplifies the issue a bit. Validity उहा आहे जेका कंटिन्यूअसली हले ऐं टेस्ट में इक्वलेंसी रखे. वैलिडिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्सेप्ट आहे जेको व्यू करे थो डिफरेंट नंबर ऐं एंगल्स खां. For our suppose we are most interested in one question only, that is how can we classify validity according to the aims of testing. Validity is not determined by a single static. Validity is important because it can help determine what types of tests to use and what to make sure. Validity is considered the most important issue in education testing because it concerns the meaning placed on test. That is called validity. In testing, validity is important element which is considered for everyone. Validity is divided into different parts. Which one is content validity? It refers how accurately an assessment or measurement tool taps into various aspects of the specific construct in question. In other words, do the question really assess the construct in question? A test need to be related to the content of the class relevant subject. How to judge it? We need a specification of the skill or structure that the test is meant to cover. Not all the course content need to appear in the test. For example, जेको असांखे क्लास रिलेटेड मटीरियल पढ़ायो थो वञे या सब्जेक्ट मैटर आहे उहो असांजे सब्जेक्ट में क्लास टेस्ट वर्क जेका आहे उन में अचे थो अकॉर्डिंग टू द सब्जेक्ट नॉलेज वो कंटेंट वैलिड आहे. इफ़ out from content, out from subject, that is not content validity, that is irrelated. Content validity conduct the test through relevant subject which is taught by teacher from different sources during lecture or study program. If test come from out of course, then it called irrelevant test, cannot have content validity, that is called content. Example: one's attitude towards an object is considered to consist of thoughts about the object, feeling about the subject, and behavior towards the object. Therefore, a test to assess one's attitude towards aesthetics should include items about thoughts, feelings, and behaviors. If test ancestry is thought to include both nervous feelings and negative thoughts, then any measure of test ancestry should cover both of these aspects. A course exam has good content validity if it covers all the material that students are supposed to learn, and poor content validity if it does not. आफ्टर द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ कंटेंट वैलिडिटी में लैंग्वेज जी इम्पोर्टेंस के ॾिठो वेंदो आहे अकॉर्डिंग टू दी स्टूडेंट नॉलेज, स्टूडेंट लेवल जे मुताबिक़ लैंग्वेज हुअणु खपे। जेका टेस्ट आहे उहा कंपेयर कई वञे त जेका आहे कंटेंट वैलिडिटी उन में हुअणु खपे अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिलेबस खां अगरि आउट ऑफ हूंदी त स्टूडेंट्स अटैम्प्ट न करे सघंदा ऐं उन में कंपेरिज़न न रहंदी। उनमें वैलिडिटी ऑफ कंटेंट जेको आहे उनमें हाई एक्यूरेसी रेशो हुअणु खपे त जीअं स्टूडेंट्स जेको पढ़ियो आहे उन मुताबिक़ परफॉर्मेंस ॾेई सघनि, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड कंटेंट वैलिडिटी। क्राइटेरियन रिलेटेड वैलिडिटी, criterion related validity, it is the degree to which test results agree with those provided by some independent and highly dependable assessment of the candidate ability. The independent assessment is the criterion measure against which the test is validated. Criterion related validity fix आहे, उनमें टीचर्स रेटिंग स्केल ऐं फाइनल ग्रेड्स के फाइनल रखंदो आहे। Criterion related validity उहा आहे जेका a test is said to have criterion related validity when the test has demonstrated its effectiveness in predicting criterion or indicator of a construct, that is called criterion related validity. Example of criterion related validity are teachers rating and final grades are final, that is called criterion related validity. Criterion related validity divided into two parts: concurrent validity and predictive validity. Concurrent validity occurs when the criterion measures are obtained at the same time as the test score, that is called concurrent. For example of concurrent validity, on test that measure level of depression, the test would be said to have concurrent validity if it measure the current level of depression experienced by the test modern maker, that is called concurrent validity. After that, predictive validity. Criterion validity, it is the extent to which people's scores are correlated and with other variables or criteria that reflect the same construct. Example, an IQ test should correlate positively with school performance, and an occupational aptitude test should correlate positively with work performance. Concurrent validity. After that, predictive validity. Predictive validity concerns the degree to which a test can be predict candidate future performance. How helpful is to use final outcomes as the criterion measure when so many factors other than ability in English, such as subject knowledge, intelligence, motivation, health, and happiness, will have to contribute to every outcome. Example: placement test. Predictability उहा आहे जेका जंहिंमें प्लेसमेंट टेस्ट वरिती वेंदी आहे, स्टूडेंट्स जी परफॉर्मेंस ॾिठी वेंदी आहे ऐं उनखे नेक्स्ट क्लास में प्रमोट कयो वेंदो आहे, उनजो फ्यूचर तय कयो वेंदो आहे। जीअं त अॼुकल्ह यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में प्रेडिक्टिव टेस्ट, प्लेसमेंट टेस्ट, फ्यूचर टेस्ट वरितियूं वेंदियूं आहिनि ऐं स्टूडेंट्स जी उन परफॉर्मेंस ते, उन स्कोरिंग ते उन्हनि खे उन्हनि जे मुताबिक़ जेको आहे डिपार्टमेंट ॾिना वेंदा आहिनि, मुख़्तलिफ़ एजुकेशन फील्ड्स में मोकिलियो वेंदो आहे अकॉर्डिंग देयर प्रीवियस नॉलेज। That is called predictive validity. Predicting the values which who got the success or failed during the test, that is called predictive test. Face validity. A test is said to have face validity if it looks as if it measures what it is supposed to measure. A test which does not have face validity may not be accepted by candidate, teacher, education authorities or employers. Face validity is very closely related to content validity. Face validity is simply whether the test appears at face value to measure what it claims. This is the last at least sophisticated measure of validity. Face validity is a starting point but should never be assumed to be probably valid for any given purpose. टेस्ट इंतहाई सूटेबल हुजे, जंहिं मक़सद लाइ वरिती वञे, एजुकेट हुजे, एक्सेप्टेबल ऐं सेटिस्फैक्टरी हुजे, उहा फेस वैलिडिटी आहे। Example: people might have a negative reaction to an intelligence test that did not appear to them to be measuring their intelligence. Thank you so much.